cable needed to go through the dash and the firewall. Pretty easy on the dash, but a twisted stretch in order to see the hole in the firewall under the dash. Kind of obscene looking, ain't it? Trying to squish a 5'8" me into a space better occupied by Play-Doh. Then, try and fit your head, 2 arms, and a wrench up over your head in order to tighten a very thin nut. You know how this goes. You have to take 1/8 of a turn, flip the wrench, 1/8 of a turn, flip the wrench. Okay, so getting out of that position is better for guys half my age. Needed to trim the cable shield and the wire to length. Not going to show that here so much because you can watch the whole nip and tuck on my throttle cable video. Link above. The cable shield had a burr from cutting that I needed to file off so that it would fit down into its holder. That wire was hard. Attach the cable in 2 places. The top one was to secure the cable shield, and the bottom the choke pull wire. Nice. Alright, so that went a lot easier than I thought it was going to go. It went a lot easier than installing that throttle cable last summer. A couple of reasons, I think. The first reason is I actually knew how to do it. I've been through the process before. The second reason is there was more room under the dash where that choke cable went. I wasn't fighting all the gauges and the wires in this particular instant. It's done, and the next time we come back, it's going to be down off the skates, down on the ground, and we're going to take it for a ride. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.